Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I will show how to train AI with frequent questions and answers in Helpira. Let's get started. Go to the sidebar and click on the AI training. Here you can see I've already loaded some AI training question, but we'll create a new one. You can sort your AI training by number of items per page and search for your AI training title here. You can see the title, the product name, and the date it was created. And we also have options here to edit or delete. If you want to delete your AI training, just click on the Delete button. To create a new AI training, click on the Create Training button. Then add in your title. For example, my title would be AI Technology. Then select your product, and then enter your question and answers here. I have added my questions and answers. If you want a better result than AI, then you have to keep the question and answer in this format. Then, after that, click on the Save button. Now we can see that our new AI training has been successfully created. Next, I will show you how to create a ticket and see how AI answers this ticket. Go to the home page and create a new ticket. Please fill in all the fields and click the Submit Ticket button. You can see here that the AI has responded to the ticket. If the user's issue is resolved, they can close the ticket by clicking the This Solved My Problem button. If the issue is not resolved, the user can keep the ticket open by clicking the I Still Need Help button. Next, I will show you how to save a question and answer from a ticket conversation. Go to the Helpira admin panel. Go to the sidebar and click on the tickets. Here, you can see all the tickets. To reply to a ticket, click on the ticket subject. Here, you can view the ticket details. You can also reply to the ticket manually from this section. For example, this is the answer to the ticket. If you want to save this question and answer, you can do it using the Save Answer option. To save the question and answer, click on the Save Answer button. Here, you can see the question and answer. You can save this question and answer by clicking the Save Answer button, or copy the answer by clicking the Copy button. To save the question and answer, click on the Save Answer button. The question and answer has been successfully saved. Let me show you where the saved question and answer appear. Go to the sidebar and click on the AI training. Here, you can see the saved question and answer from the ticket conversation. That's how easy it is to train AI with frequent questions and answers in Helpira. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.